Hi guys, welcome to April 29th. So today is Wednesday and good morning for the US side and good night for the Eastern side, all right? So today I'll talk about just one thing, why people are good at economy or econ professor or something like that, but they cannot really profit from the market. So I'm not nowhere close to those economists and nothing too strong in my knowledge in economy, but I think there's one big thing that is missing between the link so that people keep losing money in the market even they're really strong in economy or they're strong in finance reports accounting, but they're still losing money. So I guess part of my formula is the missing link. It's about the missing link. So I'll share about this link to you, and then now and few of the websites that I used to use to follow the same missing link to solve the trend. And then once one thing you know about the cash flow and the yield, you will understand the direction of all the markets, like the housing markets, the stock markets, the commodities, oil, and that's it. That's it. So there are mainly two things that are influencing the trends of the markets or any markets. The first one, and between countries, the first thing we have to know is a country is just like a company. So the main purpose of the country is to earn money, is to profit, and how they profit is only the best way is by exporting things, by selling things. Let me ask you that: which one is better? If you can you're able to sell some apples to the Chinese and you get money, or you are really rich so that you can buy Xiaomi or other Huawei stuff like that, the mobile phones from China, which one is better? The answer is A. So B, oh, I made the newest model of the cell phone of the Xiaomi. What's up with that? Because it's depreciating. The thing is, even it's aligned with Donald Trump's policy, which in fact he's really a businessman. So earning money from exporting is the real key. And the only thing that can play around with the export country between countries is the currency. So the cash flow, currency, FX, that's the same thing. They're all the same. Is the main thing. So from this question, from the macro sense, the biggest picture, from that point, you can break down all the investment themes. Okay, that's it. So the second thing is cash flow. So cash is something, it's like blood. Okay, if you have enough cash flow, you can more easily reflect the true valuation behind something. Okay, the house or a stock. Okay, without the cash flow, it's really hard to reflect anything. So valuation either will be going down a lot, too much, or going up like insane, but no one thinks, no understand why. So it's cash flow. Efficiency is equal to cash flow. So it's also it's FX, cash, and currencies. It's all about one thing: how a government and investor look at the cash and react to the cash, to the rates, to the forex. Okay, so this is the one thing, but the key missing link is these are the websites we can go to. For example, Yahoo Finance, which I come here a lot less because they talk about some random stuff new now. They talk about how older man is a sponsor of course. So I like to go to investing.com. If you want another video about when and how you can use today's technology as a secretary to remind yourself what kind of data is showing up, then you can ask me for another video. You can leave me a comment below. But investing.com is more a lot richer. Okay, so these are the news, but they're all mainly macro and economy, right? China says Taiwan man investing something. So what does it have to do with the market? So the one missing link is anticipation. So remember that people are almost all, they want to speculate. They once the information is out, they will not line up. They will just rush in to the market once they have a hint, even a hint that may happen, they will just rush in or rush out of the market. So that's the fact. So everything that explains why markets, stock markets are ahead of the economy. That's because people are kind of guessing the game. So the main direction, in other words, the most people who guess it right for that direction would happen. If before that the direction is wrong, people anticipated wrongly, it will adjust it when the fact comes out, right? If you understand what I mean. So, so that's a fact. That's a fact. So when the data comes out, you will know that it's already the result of the exam, is the report card. Okay, things happening before, people know that. For example, Brexit, Donald Trump issued. So we see all this kind of bad news, but the market reacted a different way. So my biggest lesson is in 2006, I tend to short the indices because I heard that the news of the North American president, which is Kim Jong-il, I am not sure the pronunciation, the father of the Dragon Ball Z, the stuff, because the people relate them to the Dragon Ball Z, the robot. Okay, anyway, so I heard that they will have the nuclear bomb testing. So whoa, that's a good news, right? I can short the index and I can profit from that. And the thing is, I was just trying to buy a cell phone for my ex-girlfriend. He is ex, so my wife isn't my girlfriend right now. For now, that time she lost her cell phone, right? So I thought that's good news. And then the market rebounded a lot. In 2 days, I've lost 70% of all of my money. So just by following the data. So the key is the market has already anticipated and the price had reflected this news of the nuclear testing. So the point, the news, when the point it came out, the market rebounded. So that's it's not as bad as we thought. So it rebounded. Remember what I said. So all the market data, all the cash flow, the housing markets, the stock markets, stock report announcements, they're all the same. One short and recent example is the US dollar. In economy, we tend to say that, US, during the interest rate cycle, the US dollar will go up. That's BS, okay? 3 out of 3, the most recent interest rate hikes, the interest rate raised, the US dollar dropped. 3 out of 3. For this one, the most recent one, I asked you guys specifically to invest in gold and euro or maybe or any other currencies against USD. You might have able to protect your portfolio or even profit. So the reason why is two. First one, I had a video already. People had already anticipated 100% that the Fed will go to raise the interest rate for 0.25. It's 100%. So this trend, US dollar going up, is this trend. Okay, so this is the trend when the anticipation from 25 went to 25 to 40 to 70 and to 100 eventually. So you know that when the data only matches the price reflection, which is reflecting the interest rate hike, or if less, the US dollar will go down. So if the risk of the chance of going up is limited, but chance of going down is more, you know now what to do. You can buy some gold or oil is a different story, but gold or silver or currencies, okay? And US stocks and housing market, you can wait for a little bit for the adjustment. That's it, right? Because I said the first thing is the forex market, the cash flow. But how you will anticipate it and how do you know the general direction, the higher chance that what would happen is from anticipation. So anticipation is from human and ourselves is also human. The fact is we don't know how important anticipation is. Okay, now we know that, we know the game. Okay, so you know the market in the most furthest direction. Okay, so the other thing is technical analysis. Plus this one, you cannot miss this chance. I'm telling you, you cannot miss it. If you missed my video, you can check it again. 4 signals thing. I guess about the, four things we should do when the Fed, after the Fed meeting, something like that. Okay, so you can search my channel. So this is the channel which there's a specific need, a specific way how you should construct a channel. If this is wrong, in the end you will lose money. So you see, it hit bottom and top for more than 14 times. 14 times. So the last 3 times is 1, 2, 3, and eventually this is too early because March 15th is the Fed meeting. This is also too early. This is also too early. So in the March 15th, you can start preparing for the drop. So this is a good chance for the USD to hit. So now, if you have listened to the video, I said that this is for a lot of things accumulated. I guess this time it wouldn't stop in the middle of the channel. It would go straight down to the channel, the bottom of the channel. See? Now you see? So now you can anticipate US will have a rebound. So if drop below, I keep on shorting US dollar. I can long euro. I can buy some gold. I can buy some silver. I will not kick into housing market right now. I will not buy US stock right now. But when this rebounded, you should consider if you're negotiating about of a house you're going to buy, you should buy now, or stock you should buy now. But in a longer term, should you buy a house, you can look at you search all my other videos. Again, I'm preparing 2017 latest reasons. So 4 signals why how a housing will bubble and burst. 4 signals. So when the video comes out, please like and share. But now, meanwhile, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and also you can hit the bell and this channel. So you can subscribe it and the bell, and then you can like the Facebook page, and that's it. And please comment, keep on commenting. I'm replying each of them, and also like the video and share to your friends if you think this added value and resonate you. Okay, so I'm pushing the movement that not always the bigger players will win. It's about anticipation, about knowledge, about preparation, and about your attitude, how you control something that you can control. So that's my general point of view. Okay, so I just started this channel. I know I understand this subscribers growth is quite above average. So I guess I will keep on doing the same thing, but I need your suggestions. Some of the negative comments, I won't delete it. I just think I've been well trained in the Asia market, so you guys are really nice already. So don't mean that you should be like bad to me right now, but I said I really appreciate every single one of the likes and the comments. So before that, I'll see you next time. It's Friday. I'll see you next time Friday. So today is my company sport day. Sport day that everyone will leave the office at 4 o'clock and we play basketball for 2 hours. So right now I'm the only one dressing weird. They all they all have the jerseys ready. Okay. So if you know to play basketball, too bad because you're not in Hong Kong, but we can play 2K17 or something like that. Okay. But I'm too old to play videos, okay? So anyway, I will see you next time. Good luck to you guys. See you next time. Goodbye.